Today we're taking a look at how well the 3900X can overclock, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we decided to brute force our way to some good clocks with this chip. Since Ryzen 3000 is much the same as its previous generations in regard to overclocking, if not a bit worse, we wanted to see how well this chip would do on a water chiller. For this video, my friend Alex headed on over to good old eBay, picked up a CW5200 industrial water chiller, which is commonly used for things such as welders and CO2 laser cutters. This will pull down to 0 degrees Celsius, but will not do sub-ambient. This was fine for our use case because we really wanted to avoid having to insulate the board with something like Vaseline. We'd considered doing this as a live stream, but I figured a video would make it a little bit easier to follow and more concise instead of 6+ hours of rambling footage. So with that, let's get started. For our first run, we left the hardware completely stock. This was automatically pumping 1.47 volts into our chip, which had us sitting at around 10 degrees Celsius for the CPU and the socket temp at idle. On our first run, we scored an acceptable 3278 CB points in R15. During this run, our socket temp hit a max of 14.4 C, and our actual CPU temp saw a max of 51 C. This CPU temp has left us wondering if the CCDs being offset from center makes them a bit tougher to tame since they aren't directly under most fin stacks when being liquid cooled.